I'm Jon Stone, Managing Director of Frederick Cooper. We're based in Water Green, Birmingham. About 150 people. We do paint spraying and powder coating, mainly for the automotive industry. The company actually started in 1879. We've been on this site since 1982, and personally, I'm in my 30th year as well, so quite a long-established business. We're very much a people skills business, so we've got a lot of very skilled paint sprayers, powder coaters, polishers, and we produce a sort of a very high-quality, crafted polish finish for a lot of our clients. So we're very proud of that. We use technology where we can, but we're very much into the skills of our people as well. I think we're proud about the customers that we work with because we produce very visual parts that go on very high-end cars, Rolls-Royce, Aston Martin, JLR products, to name drop a few. We're very proud of working with those brands, really. Away from the people side, obviously, we're quite a high energy user, so gas costs for ovens and things, and electricity for all our tracks and booths and operations in general. So we need an energy partner that we can trust and know that will be proactive and find us the best deals at the right time. And working with Liam and Greenfields, we've been very successful, and they've been a brilliant partner for us over the years and in getting us the contracts at the right time with the right advice, using the right intelligence, and just being communicable as well. They're always there to take phone calls, messages. They'll reply in the evening if, you know, they're brilliant. I think it's that proactive and they're very customer focused. It's customer care. It feels like we're put first, and they're always fighting for us to try and find the best deal for us. They're checking the invoices, they'll pick up mistakes and things, and they'll tell us about it. You know, it's great. It's almost like we don't have to do anything. But then also it's the right advice of fixed contracts and variable contracts, and we kind of move between the two at the right times as well. So we weren't fixing when prices were very high, and we're able to benefit as prices came off, and then going back to fixed contracts again when things are a bit more stable. So and you can lock that in, and then looking to the future. You know, we're already proactively looking at contracts that will start, you know, nearly 2 years into the future. So you got that certainty going forwards in your business. It just helps you plan. Greenfield have invited us to some events that they've organised, which have been very unique, where there's been a lot of sort of competitors. They work in coatings and things in the same sort of industries as us, but they're not really direct competitors. So that's been nice to sort of chat to those people about similar issues and problems and opportunities and challenges in the industries, and sort of make friends as well with these people. And we've been to 2 or 3 events and chatted to these guys over the years, and you realise that you've got sort of allies out there. You're not competing with everybody, and Greenfield specialise in sort of the manufacturing, kind of the type of manufacturing we're in. That's been really valuable to us, and it's just another string to their bow. We're busy at the moment. We're doing well. It feels like we're going to be busy this year. We've got stability on energy prices for the next few years as well. So it feels like we're in a good place, ready to build on whatever's thrown at us over the next few years.